Welcome to the staircase that lead to my delusional cave where everything is created. This was supposed to be filmed the day after, but delivery people decided to surprise me the day before. So this is the current messy state of the room. I don't even want to talk about it. That's usually my crafting area, but now it's just storage. We have my 2 desk, which is filled with stuff in my last Japanese order. My PC, which I'll take the chance to save the 2 figures that are currently trapped in. Poor souls. And my desk, which can barely fit the monitors and the mousepad, and everything is just bulked up, and I cannot wait to get this done and get the new desk in. But yeah, I've always seen people getting this fancy standing desk for work and whatnot, but I always told myself that I was only gonna get one whenever I would move out. But since that is not happening in the close future, I decided to hunt for one anyway and freshen up this tiny space a little bit. Alright, so the plan of action is we're gonna get that desk out of the way, and we're gonna move my main desk and somehow rotate it. So I'm still gonna have 2 desks, but it'll be like L-shaped. And then we have the big boy coming in, the big update. Okay, so I cleared out all the stuff on the floor, all the bench, that is out of the way. Next is to get my PC all disconnected and out of the room, and it'll be a pain, but I signed up for this. It's time to do it. I don't know why, but I'm always scared to open this case. But look at them, they're probably been heating like a sauna for the past month probably. Paimon just fell over and it was a gift, so I was like, I felt kind of bad leaving them there, but you know. And here's the little boy, the cutest little boy. I love it. Alright, everything is safe in the bedroom, either on the floor or on the bed. At least it's out of the way. Okay, the first desk is out of the way. Now it's time to clean the carpet, because that is filthy and I don't even want to look at it because it's very thick and it's so hard to clean. It's time to clean the desk, get the drawers out, and time to unscrew the monitors from the monitor stand, get all the cables sorted out so that we can move the disc. And ta-da! The monitors are off, the desk is clean, everything is just out of the room, so now we can work on the desk and ignore the complete mess that is on the other corner. Now the funniest thing of this desk is that I don't even know how the hell the 2 monitors, as this has been cracked since the day I opened it from the box. So yeah, I think it's just been good luck until now. Alright, the desk has been rotated. Note to myself, I should have removed the monitor arm first, but I did not, and I regret it. But it's time to finally open the big boy and get that build up. Currently it's 10 in the evening, so this was definitely a late evening project, which I kind of regret, but we wanted to get it done before the next day. We also had a little helper coming in clutch. So I let my sister deal with everything pretty much. I was like, I cannot deal with this, but I put the leg on, the leg foot on. Yeah, I just placed it there. I even tried to help. I screwed the lovely feet on, just to realize maybe I didn't really need feet because it's carpet. And then I really thought this was a cap, but this was actually just a cable holder thing that you put on top of the desk. But we don't talk about it here. I'm just trying to screw it on the foot and completely forgot that it wasn't even on. So yeah, thumbs up me. And here we have the table laying down, which I later realized I should have put it the other way, but yes. And here I am giving my best input, my best help to screw this freaking screw in, just to realize that doing this with one hand is really not a good idea, and that I got everything on video and I feel really dumb. But anyway, here's everything coming along together. Beautiful. Yes, whatever everything is. And just to realize that apparently as we were screwing the middle in, my sister just screwed the instruction in. I mean, it's fine, they're not really screwed in, but it was just stuck in the middle. But yeah, everything has come together. She even said, oh, why don't you leave it here? And I was like, no. But anyway, we got the cables for the little controls settled up. Very fancy twirly making. And then at that point I was like, oh my god, it's moving. It's actually working. And we have a little guest. Just a little baby. To be fair, he's been going on and out, in and out the window the whole evening, and I was like, please chill. Next we have the new monitor stand, because I think everything started with the idea that I wanted a third monitor above my main monitor, just to have like the chill Discord calls, YouTube videos watching, and here I found the best sound ever as well. But anyway, yes, I wanted a different monitor stand. So I ended up with the one that had two like straight in a line, and then I was gonna put the third one on the side, as in like the actual second monitor. And this was a lot taller than I thought, to the point it was actually gonna touch the shelf, which I still haven't removed, and I don't know if I'll remove it so I can push the desk backwards. I don't know if I really need that extra tiny space, so for now I'll let the desk and everything breathe. And here we are. And then I just started putting the stuff on the desk, and then I realized that my PC was gonna be very far away and I didn't have a wireless mouse. But yes, look at it. The PC is so pretty, it's very distant, so I know I have and I will have cable management problem because I don't have cables long enough, but most of it's set up. We don't talk about the current mouse I was using because the trackball mouse is a curse, especially for editing, but it's working. Everything is plugged in, it works. If it's like on the lowest level or on the highest level, everything is functional and I feel happy. And I got a new mouse because of course I had to get a new fancier girly mouse, so I got a wireless G705 from Logitech, and it's very cute. It does a little spinny, and I was like, yes, I'm getting my update, yippee! And after days of cursing and cleaning everything out of the way, here is the final room for now. We still have the little crafting area. I decided to store my laptop and my iPad on the desk, but I'll probably move it to the crafting area as soon as I need the other desk to film. I have my little stationary corner. The desk feels so big and clean. I can store extra snack, my cat can lay on it, and it just feels very fresh, very bright. I kind of do want more LEDs somewhere. When it's evening, my light doesn't do much, but it's done. And I feel refreshed. I feel like I can work more. I especially am recording this as I'm standing up, so I feel like I can wake up and I can work. I'm not gonna fall asleep on my desk while I try to edit something. But yippee, we got it. Don't look at the toilet paper on the desk. Thank you for watching. I do want to do more videos like this. I feel like it helps me talk and improve my, I don't know, filming, whatever it is. But yes, here's a little update on my room. I hope you will join me for other stuff like this. I'm really bad with outro. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.